Hi guys, I'm Katshal. Today I'm going to show you how to find sin 22.5 value. Okay. First, where we can find sin 22.5 degrees in a right angle triangle. So, wait, I'll draw the right angle triangle little bit bigger. This is 22.5 degrees, this is 67.5 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, see, like first thing, like how to find sin 22.5 degrees. First we will need this length and this length. So I'm going to draw this, I'm going to construct this somewhere in some other shape, and after that I'll find this both values, and like that we can solve this. Okay, first we will draw a circle. Okay, next I'm going to draw a square which is inscribed inside the circle. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to connect this both points such that this angle and this angle are equal. Okay. Now the question is, what is this angle? Okay. What is this angle? To find that angle, I am going to do one clever trick. See, first this is a circle, then there will be one center of the circle. The center of the circle will be equal to the center of the square also. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to connect this both points. Wait. Okay, I have connected this both points. Now I am going to connect this point and one of the diagonals. Now what I am going to ask is, what is this angle? Okay, what is this angle? To find this is very simple. Just draw one horizontal line or perpendicular line through this vertical line. Okay, just draw one perpendicular line to this. Then you will get this is 90. This is 45. This is 90. This is 90 because it's perpendicular line. So this is also 90. This is 45 because this is diagonal. Okay, this is what we can say is, if this is a diagonal, so this will bisect the angle into 45 and 45. Okay, so this 45, that means this is also 45. So then 45 plus 90 is 135. That's it. So the whole angle is the whole angle is 135. Okay, now I am going to ask you second question. What is this angle? Okay, what is this angle? To find that angle, what I am going to do is, just think. This is not looking like a circle, no, wait. Okay, we will keep this a circle. Think. This is theta. Then what is this angle? This is theta and this is center point. Okay, if this is theta, then this is theta by 2. Okay, this is a property of a circle. Okay, the same thing will apply here. This is 135. Okay, from this to this, that only, from here to here is 135. Then from here to here is what angle? So 135 by 2, which is equal to 67.5. This whole angle is 67.5. Now next, then what is this angle? this is 45. This is 45, that means this is also 45. Then only this is 90 now. So this is 45, this is 60, this whole is 67.5. Then this angle is 22.5. And I know this is 90. Okay. So 22.5, 90. This is 67.5. So I got this triangle here. Okay. Now what I am going to do is I am going to keep the side length as 1. Side length of the square is 1. Okay. You can keep as x also. Then also you get the same answer for sin 22.5. Okay. If this is 1, then what is the length of the diagonal? The length of the diagonal is root 2. Already there. The length of the diagonal is root 2. Because 1 and 1, then 1 square root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. Then this whole length is root 2. I know that now. Then what is this length? This is the half of the diagonal. That means root 2 by 2. Then now what is this length? This length is 1 by 2. Because this is a half of that. This whole length is 1 means then half of 1 is 1 by 2. Okay. Now I know this length is 1 by 2. Next I had to find one more side length of this triangle. Okay. So now see, this is 67.5. This is also 67.5. That means this is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the sides are equal. Two sides are equal. So if this is root 2 by 2, that means this is also root 2 by 2. Right. This whole length, okay, not only still here. This whole length is root 2 by 2. Okay. Now what is this length? This is 135. That means this also, this is 45. Now I know this is 1 by 2. This is there also 1 by 2 because isosceles triangle is the same thing only I am applying here. So only this much length is only 1 by 2. Now what is this? This is root 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. This whole length minus this whole length is equal to this length. Okay. So root 2 minus 1 by 2. So now I got that. I will write it here. Okay. This length is 1 by 2. This length is root 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now what is this length? Okay. To find this length, it's very easy. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So I'll give you this x. So x square is equal to 1 by 2 square plus root 2 minus 1 by 2 the whole square. X is equal to 1 by 4 plus we will do this in our mind. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 by 4, and we will put a whole square root because square come here and it will become square root. Now x is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 2 by 4 with a big square root. Now in the numerator I can take 2 common. So I will get that x is equal to 2 into 8 square root of 2 minus root 2 by 2. Okay, this is x value. So I can write this as equal to 8. X is equal to square root of 2 minus root 2 by 2. Okay. Now see, I am going to find sin 22.5. Sin 22.5 means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite by hypotenuse. So that much we can find it. I'll do it here. So root 2 minus 1 by 2 whole divided by square root of 2 minus root 2 by 2. We'll see large common square root. Right. Okay. Now what I can do? This is equal to root 2 minus 1 into root 2 by 2 into this will not come. Okay, root 2 minus 1 into 2 and the 2 into square root of 2 minus root 2. Now this will cancel and this will become root 2. So sin 22.5 is equal to root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into root 2 minus root 2. That's it. Thanks for watching.